You've got mail.
Hi there, it's me, Marcel, and I'm trying something a little bit different here, actually. I am trying out something called Screencastify, and specifically, this is a Chrome extension that I am using on my Chromebook here. This is actually an Acer Chromebook, but I'm playing with at the moment. It's a nice little Chromebook. It's relatively recent, and it can actually play Android apps. So what I'm going to try to do in this video, which I realize is going to have a watermark because I haven't paid the premium dollars for Screencastify yet, because I want to see if it works, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start an Android app. I'm going to minimize this. Okay, stop. Is it impolite if you interrupt yourself? Because that's what I just did there. I interrupted myself. Okay. What you need to know is, what he's trying to explain is that the pricing on this thing is $29. He's wondering whether or not he should spend the money on it, but the real reason is because he normally uses this, which is OBS Studio. If you've watched any of my videos before, you've seen OBS Studio. I've even done some tutorials on it. Anyway, the point is, this works just fine on a Linux desktop, but on the Chromebook, it's another matter entirely. That's why the Screencastify thing is there, and that's why he's doing the video. And I know I interrupted him, but the guy's still trying to figure out that he's got a little notification floating above his head. So I'll let you get back to him, okay? All right. And yes, I see that it is. There we go. I just closed the little notification thing, and I'm going to fire up an app called Citytopia, which is an Android game, and we're going to see how well this works out. With Screencastify running in the background and recording my screen. So I'm waiting for it to start. I may actually have to edit this a little bit, just so that, there we go. Atari and Vizio Creations, Citytopia. Loading. This is very exciting. Needs to save data on your devices. Oh, well, okay then. Okay, I will allow it. Obviously, I need to fire this up. You have to go through the whole first time thing here. So let's see what happens, shall we? Loading. Again, I may have to actually edit this so that you don't have to watch the loading screen for however long this takes. So how you doing anyway? It's almost Christmas, It's like December 18th today, I think. And, it's snowing outside. It's like a freaking winter wonderland out there. Anyway. We're still waiting. It feels weird doing a recording in front of the Chromebook because it's like this little thing with the camera way down there. So now presumably while this is happening, I can move. Oh, there we go. See, I can move my little webcam all over the place. Well, isn't this cool? All right, I'll just do that here for a second. Ooh, loading. It's almost loaded. I'm so excited. I can barely stand it. Okay. Shall I sing a song? It's almost Christmas. I could sing Rudolph or something. I don't know. No, Rudolph is probably still copyrighted, so I probably don't want to do that. Oh, there we go. The game has begun. Okay, so this is actually on my Chromebook. And Citytopia. Looks very Christmassy right now. So what do we do? Welcome to Citytopia. Get started. All right, so let's get started. Here's your first pack of cards. Everything you need to get started with home, store, and a factory. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Continue. And what do I got? I now have 100,000 coins, whatever that means. Tap to reveal. I've actually played this game before, but I have an accessory store, I have a family business, and I have a bungalow. Okay, very exciting. Here we go. All right, I'm not going to let this run for very long because, as you probably know, okay, let's start by placing that home. Open the build menu. All right, now this actually is a touch screen, so I could actually do the touch screen. So I'm going to do the touch screen thing. There we go, and I'm going to drag this onto the screen here somewhere. There we go. I'm going to accept where the bungalow is. There we go. Your population has increased. My population. So you know what? I'm going to move my my webcam down. Over here. There we go. Help increase your population stat. Wonderful. My population is increased. Let's place a store. Open the menu. And I'm going to choose store, and we're going to move the store, I guess, right here. There we go, and I'm going to accept it. If the screen is wobbling, it's because when I touch it, I'm making the screen wobble. Got it. Got it. Lastly, let's place a factory. Open the build menu. Let's open the build menu. Let's take the factory, and we're going to drag that over next to the store. The family business. Accept. There we go. Factories increase your industry stat and generate coins over time. One way is to the shop. Okay, let's hit free pack here. We can claim a free pack. 4 cards. What do we got? We got a signature, whatever that is, bungalow family business. Cool. All right. That means we can upgrade all of these things. Oh, I'm going to say okay. I'm going to say okay over here. And it looks like you got enough copies of the family business. Yes, yes, let's upgrade the family business. Absolutely. Let's do that. Okay. Tap this to upgrade and spend big bucks. Yes, and I can, there we go, and then I say okay, and what happens next? What happens next? I don't know. Oh, there we go. My face was hiding the X, so I couldn't see it. All right, and tutorial complete. Woohoo! There we go. So I've done the tutorial for Citytopia, and I get more cards, I get more accessories, family business. Boy, that was a quick tutorial. Wow, holy cow. Anyway, that's it. So I'm going to stop the recording now, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to take a look at it and see how this worked out. Okay? All right? Does that sound good? So there we go. Well, I don't want to buy the starter pack. I really don't. So I'm going to click the little X in the corner there and just let it snow on the new city. Ooh. Reach player level 3 to unlock goods. Apparently, it's going to take me a little longer than that. So there you go. So we fired up Screencastify in the Chrome browser on my Chromebook, and I have fired up an application, in this case Citytopia, and in theory it's been recording my camera and recording sound. So I'm going to stop this and we'll take a look at it. Let me know what you think of how this works out, what you think of it, and whether I should spend the $29 to have an annual subscription to this thing. Ooh, I'm going to touch the little happy face. It's so cool being an industrial hub, like industrial hub. It's still a hamlet, and it's got an industrial hub. How do you like that? Anyway, like, subscribe, don't like, thumbs down, and oh, by the way, happy holidays, non-denominational, denominational, whatever, Merry Christmas, and all that kind of stuff like that, and a Happy New Year to you too. All right? Like, subscribe, you know the deal. And oh yeah, comment, leave comments. I always like it when people leave comments. Leave some kind of a comment. Say something, interesting, enlighten me. Anyway, okay, now what do I do? Okay, and do I come down here from the top? I'm going to close this app here, and does Screencastify just close on its own? I don't know. How do I tell Screencastify to close? Well, let me close this, and do I have to reopen the browser? Let's go Screencastify. There it is. It's recording, and oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, there are buttons down on the. Oh, there are buttons down on the left-hand side at the bottom. Let me see. Oh, there's a pencil here. Ooh, I can draw on the screen. Is that cool? Oh, that's nice. That's cool. What about this eraser? Ooh, I can erase it. Here, let's do this. And there we go. And it's Rudolph. He's a red-nosed reindeer. This is great, man. Okay, sorry, I'm done. Oh yeah, push the button and say stop.